So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert a YouTube video into a design or a presentation on Visme. So once Visme is opened up, first thing you have to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen and go to this media tab right here and press on media. Then once you hear the three different options, there's videos, embed online content, or add audio. We want to go ahead and press on videos right here. Then under videos right here, there's three different options. So you might be on the stock screen. Make sure you go ahead into this embed option right here and press on embed. And then embed external videos, press on YouTube. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and paste the YouTube URL into, you can go ahead and go to YouTube, find the URL, and paste it here. And then go ahead and press on insert. You can also edit it as well by muting the video, auto playing, looped, whatever the case may be. Once that is done, press on insert, and the video should now be inserted into your presentation here on Visme. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can insert a YouTube video into Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.